everyone! So, as promised from my last video, if you've seen it, I'm going to make a cooking video. So today, I'm going to make our version of carbonara. So this is not your typical or legit classic carbonara recipe. This is our version. So TeamAmet's carbonara. Okay? So, welcome. This is our kitchen. I actually designed this myself. Chos. Okay, so let's talk about the ingredients first because I believe that sa lahat ng recipe or any dish that you cook, the most important thing are your ingredients. Okay, so depende kung saan to galing or saan to, for example, mushrooms or any herbs, it kind of nag-iiba siya ng lasa where it comes, where it come from, or saan nyo to binili, or anong variety, because there's a lot of varieties for herbs, for mushrooms, for meat, etc. Okay, so first off, today I'm going to use spaghetti. Okay, I know you're supposed to use fettuccine, but I'm not a big fan, so I'm gonna use spaghetti. You can also use, kung gusto nyo pang mag-explore, black spaghetti here. Or you can also use angel hair. Depends. Preference. Okay? And second one, I always use this for some reason. I know it's Alfredo sauce, but I really like the taste. You can buy this in all-day supermarket or Rustan's, I guess. Yes, but if you don't have this, you can also use 2 containers of Nestle all-purpose cream. Okay? And of course, bacon. Matt, he always likes to buy good quality meat, so I'm not sure what this is, but this is the picnic bacon that I bought from all-day supermarket in Nomo. It's 137 for 670 grams. And of course, good quality ham. White onion, like this big lang. Black pepper. Your choice of salt. Me, I'm going to use pink Himalayan salt. Okay. Oh, of course, mushroom. Okay, I use this kasi it's cut na, mas madaling lutuin. But if you have fresh mushrooms, white button mushrooms, it's very good as well. I didn't have time to buy, so I'm using this. Okay, so let's start cooking. Okay, first step, boil your water, just enough for your pasta. For us, we are 3, so 250 grams, so this is about it. And then put salt, rock salt. I use rock salt. And you cover, just let it boil. Okay, so now that all the ingredients are prepared, so we have the bacon, we have our half moon sliced white onion, ham, and then the mushrooms. Papakulaan natin to hanggang maubos yung water. Okay? Now, our water is boiling. We are going to put our pasta. So, 3 lang kami. So, this is 500 grams. I'm only gonna use 250. Right? Here you go. Okay, so when you drain your pasta, make sure that you don't forget to do this step. It makes the pasta cooler, so it will stop cooking. Okay, so first we put the bacon. You know why? Because we want to cook everything with bacon's fat. makapagdagdag lasa yon. Ayan. So, pag nagmantika na yung bacon, you can now put the onions. Ayan. Tapos, pagwa-brownin lang natin to ng konti. Ayan. So, after mag-caramelize ng onion and bacon, we can now put the ham. Okay, so the last ingredients, you can see wala na siyang sabaw. Yan. And after that, the sauce na. And now we season with salt. Yan, I'm using the pink Himalayan salt here. And then some pepper. And now, the Alfredo sauce. Okay, go. Okay, so now we're going to simmer this for 3 to 5 minutes before we toss in our pasta. And then it's done. Okay, for the last part, carbonara is ready. Yes. Yummers. Thank you. There we go. And then yes, you can add more cheese. Okay, there you have it. Bon appetit! Okay, so that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Till the next one. If you have any suggestions for my next one, please feel free to comment. Hope you enjoyed that. Bye!